Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2021 Toyota Tundra with some great exterior features that include side steps, black TRD wheels, along with 3M protective film on the hood, fenders, and front bumper. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we have gray and black cloth interior. There are also all-weather floor mats and power windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right we have Toyota Safety Sense and our cruise at the back. Over on your touchscreen here you have some vehicle information, your Bluetooth phone connection, and your AM/FM radio. Right underneath that are all of your climate controls. And at the bottom here we have some outlets along with your heated seat switches. The back seats have more black and gray cloth interior. There are also two cup holders here that fold up. The seat bottoms also fold up by lifting up on this tab, which reveals our under seat storage space. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2021 Toyota Tundra with some great interior features that include heated seats, all-weather floor mats, and storage compartments underneath the rear seats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.